Up chicken for the tacos, for making it from scratch. Put all the basic seasoning like Italian seasoning, parsley, oregano, Mrs. Dash, salt, black pepper, lemon pepper, meat tenderizer, paprika.
Oh wow, that's interesting. And you grind the chicken?
Yes, I have a meat grinder.
Meat grinder. Lovely.
This is tortilla dough made from scratch. It's flour, salt, water, and vegetable oil.
Wow, okay. I'll have that in the description below. Lovely, lovely.
So I added the grind chicken that was seasoned with some lettuce, pico de gallo, which is tomatoes and onion with a little bit of black pepper, salt, and lime juice, and some cheese and a dollop of sour cream.
Yum, yum. Ooh, I would love to taste that. Ooh.